Let me take you through the Tradetek dispatch management system. A lot of companies use this system for their transport management, or especially the truck management companies that deal in low LTL and FTL. They are using currently the system. This is a very simple and straightforward system for highway carriers and land cargo operators. Now, let me take you through the system. Here you can enter your username and password to sign into the system. Once you are logged in, uh, you will see this screen. It's a dispatch board. This dispatch board is normally displays the load list of all the available loads that are booked through the system. It's a very standard one. And then there are a lot of other options in the system, like IFTA. You can file IFTA through the system, yeah, and vendor maintenance section. There is another section for sales manager. There is another section for accounting and payroll. There is a section for dedicated section for reports, and there is a section for add-ons. And there are quite many sections in this system. I'll take you through the all the sections one by one. So let us start with the dispatch board. Once you are on dispatch board, here you can see on top of the screen there are many filters. This plus sign gives you the option to create a new load, to post a new load, to manage driver trips, and to especially the input forms are all input forms are available in this drop down menu. There are filters on screen. Here is, you can search any load with any term, and here you can apply a filter to. For example, if you want to search, I don't have any loads here. If you have a lot of loads, you can search with the load number by entering any load number here. You can search. You can search by driver carrier. You can search by work order number or PO number. You can search by customer name. You can also filter by pickup address or delivery address. And then there are other options, other filters are available. You can filter out specific user loads, the loads posted by individual users. You can filter them out here, and here you can see the all loads that are posted by different users. You can see them here. The whole load list is highlighted with different colors. Each color identify a different kind of load. And for example, for open load, you will see a light red color, background color in this row. For dispatched load, it becomes the orange. And then for covered load, it becomes blue. For pending load, it becomes yellow. So here are different colors available for different type of load statuses in the system. Then there is an option for dispatch team. You can enable or disable a dispatch team. So this dispatch team filter works for multi for the teams who are in multi hierarchy. So if you want to see if you want to view the loads that are posted by this person, so only you can just disable this feature from here, and from dispatch team you can disable it, so it will show you the loads directly posted by this user. And if you want to enable the team, then you will be presented with the loads of this individual, this officer, this dispatcher, and his team members as well. So this filter is that. So you can filter out by load statuses here as well. You can filter the loads. You can view only open load if you want to view. If you want to see only pending loads, you can filter them out here. You can see covered loads here as well. You can see dispatch loads here. So these are the filters, and then you can filter them by date as well. You can select only yesterday loads. You can select this week loads. You can select any. These are the filters that you can apply for different to change the view port of this dispatch board. Here are a few other screens under dispatch board that are made available to the users for easy operating. If you come on this icon here, you will see first option as a dispatch board. Then the second option is resource center. If you go to resource center, it shows you different resources available in the company like drivers, including company employees, owner operators, and all, and their status. Either they are available or unavailable. If someone is assigned a load, some driver is assigned a load, you will see him as an unavailable. And this, in the same way, external carriers, if you work if you book load and pass it to external carriers, then the external carriers list is also available here and their statuses are as well. And then there is a list of trucks and tractors, all the trucks available with their status, all the trailers with their status. So here you can have a view of different companies available resources on a screen. Then there is a driver center. In driver center, there are different drivers and there are different indicators in this list to explain and to show their status. So here you can see the driver name as the first column. Then the second column is their status, either they are available or unavailable. Then you are paying as if you are paying the drivers as percentage, or if you are paying them per mile base, and whatever. If it is not defined, then it stays as undefined, and it mark it as in red. So you know that which you need to define. Then the rate. When the percentage display for any driver, then the percentage rate. For example, 20% you pay to driver, and then if you pay per mile, then the per mile rate as well. Here it shows the per mile rate or the rate that is paid to the driver. Then there is license, their license number and the expiry. So each driver's license number you can see in the list along with the expiry date. Now the thing is that if the driver's license expiry comes within next 30 days or it has passed, it shows in red. Otherwise, the dates are displayed in simple plain black color. If it's highlighted in red, that means it's going to expire within next 30 days or it has already expired. So you need you need to put your attention towards it. It needs your attention. And the next field is next medical due date. If the date has passed or the date is within next 30 days, then it is highlighted in red for your attention, or otherwise it will be in simple plain black color. And then the next drug test due date, if the due date is in after 30 days or it has quite enough time remaining, then it's in plain black. Otherwise, it will be displayed in red. Fast card expiry date in the same way, highlighted is red if it needs attention. Otherwise, it will be simple black. And hazmat expiry, if it is expired or it needs attention, then it will be in red. Otherwise, it will be in plain black color like this. So this is driver center. It gives you an overview of all your drivers in the company, along with their payment rates, along with their availability, their license number, expiry, and all related information you can view on this screen. Then there is a third screen, carrier center. Here you can see external carriers, and this list shows the external carrier. Here you can see in the first column you can see carrier name, then the contact person, then their phone number and email, then their insurance expiry, when their insurance is going to expire, then their insurance broker name, and then insurance broker phone and email. If you have given the email, then it will display the email here as well for the insurance broker or the phone number. So this list gives you the view of all available external carriers in your system. Then the third list is another list is the equipment center. This equipment center gives you the view of your available trucks and trailers. So first is truck and trailer profile name. Trucks are in blue color and the trailers are in simple black color. And then the second column is last driver. This is the name of the driver who last used or last driven this truck. And then the last location, this is the last known location or the recorded location in the system for this truck or trailer. So here you can see up if you have for the companies of who are having more than 20, 30 or more than 50 trailers or trucks, they can simply see where their last location of their, especially in trailers. You can see that where is your last location for any specified for any given trailer. So and last driver who took that trailer as well along with the truck. And then the type is simple, is either it is a truck or trailer, then the license plate and the license plate of truck and trailer in the same way along with the expiry. If expiry is within next 30 days or it has passed, then obviously it is in red to for your attention, highlighted for your attention, or otherwise it's in simple plain black color. And then annual inspection due date when the annual inspection is going to due, it is simply for in red for your attention. If it's past 30 days or within next 30 days, it's in red. Otherwise, it will be in simple black. And then PM inspection, so preventive maintenance inspection due date also in the same way highlighted in red if it needs attention. Otherwise, it's in plain black color. Then the ownership, either it's owner operator, it's third party owned or company owned, whatever is the ownership status of the truck or trailer, it displays here. Then either it's this truck is IFTA or not, then that is displayed in this third last column. And then the make year in the second last column is the make year of the truck or trailer, and the last column is insurance policy number for that truck or equipment. Then there is a customer center. In customer center, you can have a view of your customers. The first column is customer name. Second is their phone number or email, and then the third column is their either they are broker, either if the customer is broker or not. And then there is a column with the payment term. If there is no payment term set, so it shows you as highlighted in red, or if it is set, then the term is displayed here. Whatever term you define while registering, recording your customers in the system, and then the credit limit. If a customer is given a limit, it shows the credit limit that you have assigned. Otherwise, it displays in red as no limit. So whatever limits you have defined to your customers, it will be displayed here. And then the average mile rate. This system calculates the average mile rates on its own through your previous entries. So when you do the business with any customer, it keep track of those transactions, and it calculates this average mile rate on the base of those last or previous transactions with each and every customer. So here on this list, you can before registering or booking any order, you can simply come here and see that what is the average mile rate recording for this customer. So you can see the rates. These are just dummy entries, so you can see different variation of rates. Anyway, you can see the rates here for each individual customer. You can see what rates you are quoting to this customer for your next quote and what is the limit you have set and everything you can see here. And then the last section, last but not least, the last section is shipper and consignee. So here you can see your shippers, either it is a shipper or consignee or their contact email, location, and then their contact person or number, major intersection relationship, either it's a shipper or consignee, and then unit type. It's a simple entry you can see. If it's a shipper, it's in black color. If it's a consignee, it's in blue. If it's both, either both as it acts as a shipper and consignee both, then it's in red. So you can see the end unit type as well. You can see here their address, contact number, email, their city, and their major intersection, relationship, and the unit type. So this is these are different areas or screens or boards that you can visit during your daily operations.